Go ahead and pause the recording and read through the word problem if you haven't had a chance to do so. But basically what we're supposed to do is to find an odds ratio. And we got a couple of different statements here. People having children to be married. So there's 165 people that have children, right? The odds of being married when you have children is 97 to 68. Okay? Or in other words, yeah, that's 97 to 68. The reason we come up with that is because we look at the children's column. People that have children to be married, the odds are 97 to 68. It's more likely that you're married when you have children than not married, according to this data table. Okay, not trying to make a generalization about the whole population, but yeah. So that's the first odds ratio, and then for the second one, against people not having children to be married. So here's the column of people that do not have children. So we're supposed to state the odds of people not having children to be married. There's 35 people that did not have children that were married, and there were 71 people that did not have children that were not married. Right? So the odds of a person not having children and being married is 35 to 71. And so what we're supposed to do is just to divide these two ratios, because we're supposed to, these two odds, sorry, because we're supposed to find the odds ratio. So this is 97 over 68 divided by 35 over 71. Divide those two odds. And so the rest of this is probably pretty easy. You can just change it to a decimal. You can do some fraction work too if you feel up to it. 1.426. So we got 0.493. So when you divide those, get 17.414, which is not the right answer. What did I do here? Nice, 75 by 68, that looks good. 35 divided by 71, that looks good. I must have typed something in wrong. Yeah, I typed something wrong here at the end. 1.426. I don't know what I did, but 2.89. I just messed up punching this last part in the calculator. Okay, so for these questions, state the odds for the first statement. So the odds of people having children to be married, it's 97 to 68. 97 people have children and are married, compared to 68 people that have children and are not married. Right? And then people not having children to be married. 35 people do not have children and are married. Compare that to 71 people that do not have children and are not married. And then when you divide those two, you get yourself your odds ratio.